Hi, my name is Daniel Greversen, and well, I'm an SAP mentor, meaning that I'm quite interested in technology, have a lot of experience in that, and well, in this video I would like to share with you some insights that I've had around small talk. I was at a lecture this past week where I got some pretty good ideas and insights on how to do better small talk. The lecturer girl was saying that the worst one for doing small talk efficiently was Germans, Danes, which I am, Norwegian, Finnish people. So I fit into that category, and also technology focused people or developers is not that good at small talk either. On a side note, I was hearing this fantastic joke about an introvert and an extrovert developer. Well, how do you see the difference? Well, the introvert is looking at his shoes when he's speaking, and the extrovert is looking at your shoes when he's speaking. So there's something to live up to, and I guess you probably is also in that category of not the most, well, not speaking the most, and probably a bit too introverted in your everyday speaking. So I wanted to give you some tips that I've used for the past, I don't know, few days to get into contact with a lot of people, and it has actually been working quite well, so I hope that it will also work for you. Well, I think the first and the main lesson I had to learn was that I didn't engage in the conversation with a certain outcome. It sounds a bit weird, but my mindset was that I needed something to get out of this contact in order for it to be successful. That could be that I wanted the contact information, or that I wanted to be able to follow up in any way. And that's, I don't think that's more the point. The point is more to, well, have fun and build some kind of genuinely relationship around the talk that you can later use for following up. At the conference I was also giving, I was talking to different people afterwards, this lecture, and started my small talk, and often, a minute or something like that, they gave me a business card and said bye. That's not the way to have a conversation, and it will just turn off everything. It's like, okay, I'm not gonna follow up with you because I don't have a relationship with you. So that's what you're up against. You need some way of figure out who these people are, so you can proceed in that. So yeah, change the mindset from wanting to do something with this person to just be there, have fun, and learn what you can do, and see if you can relate in any matter. So obviously one of the big challenges is getting into a conversation, because once you're in a conversation it's much easier to be there and be present and talk with that person. But I've known countless times just being at a cocktail party or anywhere where there's people at networking reception, it's really difficult to be able to talk with people and figure out what to start the conversation about. And the advice was just find anything that pops into your mind that you could be speaking about. It doesn't really need to be that technical or anything like that. It could be more like, oh, whatever. For an IT conference could be how you're using this technology. SAP is quite big on HANA in-memory computing now, so are you using it? Are you using HANA? Could you plan using HANA, or do you think it's worth investigating more into? That from there on, it will be possible to get some information about this person, and the next step after you start the conversation is to be able to switch back and forth between you and the other person, and so you be relating to some of what he's saying, his or her is saying, obviously, and that way you can build the relationship. So the other way around is, having these ping pong, asking questions. Hopefully you can ask some more open-ended questions that they cannot just answer yes or no or fight to, but that they really want to answer in more detail. So that is, I would say, the main purpose of doing this, that you can actually get them involved with asking some questions, and you can give your opinion about some of these topics. The rule of thumb is every topic should be like a minute, around that, and then you can actually switch to some other things. Probably you need to gauge that from the conversation, but making it switch like that, really I've seen that work out. So I think that was the last advice. Give some of yourself. Be a bit vulnerable. Not saying all your illnesses at once, unless they are obvious, but give some kind of a feedback to this person that they can use, and tell something about yourself. State your opinion about something, and that'll probably get you into some more details and make it easier for other people to relate to you. So in the conversation, say who you are and why you're there, and what's the main purpose of this. So I hope this has been helpful. I guess the only way to figure out is that you go out there, try and meet some people and start a conversation with them and hear what they're doing and how everything can become even better for you and everyone else. So I've created a product for IT consultants on how they can actually get better at selling themselves as a freelancer or contractors, selling themselves. So if you click this link below, you'll find some more information about how you can actually some two advices that is quite useful when getting into contact also with people. So I hope it has been serving you, and until we'll see you next time, goodbye, and remember, you need to go out there and talk with people. Bye.